Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover a very special airdrop. This is Aztec Network. This is a very big possible airdrop. I compared this airdrop with Optimism, Arbitrum, Zksync. This could be super big. We are going to cover a little bit about Aztec, also powered by Paradigm. This is a very big company, and the project itself is called Zk Money. So we are going to do, like always in my videos, remember we do the step-by-step of this project on how you can apply to this airdrop, and I'm going to share that with you, of course. You are going to see this information in a post of my video here, so you can go to the homepage, and there in the last update videos we are going to see that video. We solve the step-by-step. And remember that we have for free the airdrop organizer, so you can download this with all my videos, all my step-by-steps of any other airdrop that you need to do. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, like always, remember to go to my website and you are going to see the post of this video, so you can do the step-by-step and get all the information that I am sharing with you here in this video. All the links and the step-by-steps is going to be there in that post. And also you have my airdrop organizer, the link is in the description, so you can go there and be sure to download it so you have it in your computer. And there you can edit and do everything here. You can see all the links and all the specifications of each of the airdrops that we are doing. So today's video is very important. The project is called Aztec Network, and Aztec Network raised 17 million in Series A from Paradigm to bring programmable privacy to Web3. This was at the end of 2021. They still have been working like crazy in the project. It's already mainnet and live. And Paradigm has been powering many other projects, not only Aztec. You can see Argent, the DeFi wallet, also is powered by Paradigm. And many of these projects have been doing airdrops after the project was already launched and stable. So we have a history of Paradigm projects with airdrops. And Aztec is a privacy engine for Ethereum, enabling private transactions over public mainnet. The protocol makes use of zero-knowledge proofs in order to encrypt and obscure the values of Aztec-enabled transactions. So Aztec doesn't have an own token yet, but like I mentioned, it's very likely to launch one in the future because it's backed by Paradigm, and Paradigm-backed projects have already done many retroactive airdrops. So Zk Money is the first protocol by Aztec, and using the protocol may likely make you eligible for an airdrop if they launch their own. So let's go step by step on how to do that. Some great points of the project is the product privacy on Ethereum. I think it's really cool. In Twitter they have 66k followers, so really big. And I reviewed the Aztec Network GitHub repository. They have 48 repositories and many of them are still in progress. They are really working on stuff, so I really like it that. So I see very powerful points here that this airdrop could be very profitable for us. So let's go and do the airdrop now. The first step is you go to zk.money. This is of course the website of the project. This is powered by Aztec powered by Paradigm. So click on Shield now. You are going to see this, and here we are going to need to connect our MetaMask wallet. You need to be on Ethereum mainnet. So click here, click on Connect Wallet. Click MetaMask in our case. Click on Next and Connect. Here you can see that you need to sign this transaction. Sign it. Then you need to ensure and sign it that it's stable, so sign again. Sign here. Now you can see that the Aztec address here was created. Now we need to click here, Retrieve Spending Key. Sign here, click on sign. Now you need to click here to copy to clipboard. This is going to give you some confidential information, and save that in a particular file that you only have access, or anywhere that you want. This is similar to a key phrase that when you create your MetaMask. So click here and save that information. Now you can click on next step, and here you need to do 3 things. Put an alias name here, it should be unique. Then select the speed of your transaction. The cost, it will be different if you want to be 4 hours or 7 minutes. And at the same time, you can already put some of your ETH that you have. So you need to send ETH to the Zk Money application. This is secure, I already did it, so try to do that. So after putting all these, guys, you can click on register. Remember that you are going to need to wait 4 hours if you use this cheap option, or 7 minutes if you pay more. But of course this is a lot right now, so I am going to select this. So I will click register. You can see that here is creating the proof. So you need to wait, and here you are going to need to confirm some stuff. Approve and transfer the transaction here, so click on sign. Confirm the transaction. I am paying 1.29 on fees. So here says waiting for layer 1 transfer to settle. So still you need to wait here and confirm more stuff. Don't leave this page, just wait here. Now I need to sign this message that will allow the pending funds to be sent to Aztec transaction. Sign again here. And after all that, guys, you are going to see this panel. This is the dashboard of Zk Money. You can see this is the 12.57 that I sent, and it's still loading, and you are not going to be able to do too much right now, so you need to wait. In your transactions history, you can see that I have the yield, which is what I sent, and I have the registered account, and you can see that only have one green mark here. You need to wait until you have the 2 marks here in order to operate. So you have your dashboard here, but you are not actually finished with the registration. So you need to wait this. Remember that I select 4 hours of the option. So probably you are going to need to wait a lot until you get everything confirmed. One way to be sure that you are confirmed is that here you can see that I have 0.01 zkETH, but I have 0 available. So until this is not confirmed, I will have nothing available here. But my transaction of the funds was sending correctly. So anyways, we can still do the video, but remember that you need to wait that to operate. Right now you are in the part of wallet. We don't have still the part of trade, is under construction, so be aware of this. Continue searching that. If this is available, probably I'm going to do another video of this, but as soon as you can trade, I would recommend you to trade. So in terms of the step, we already did step 1. We connected the wallet, signed the connection for Aztec address, spending key, and click next. We pick up a username in step 3. Now deposit at least 0.01. I recommend you to deposit a larger amount in order to increase your chances to be counted in for an airdrop. So remember, this is important. If you can put more than $100, I will do it. If you can put 1,000, I will do it. You are going to see that then you are going to be able to take your money out of the platform. So you may need only pay gas fees on all this. 5, now let's shield some Ethereum. So now that we already have the account, we already shield some at the moment that we create the account. But if you want to send more Ethereum here, you can click on shield more, or you can click here on yield. So here you can see this is my alias on Zk Money, and here the amount that I want to send. This is what I have in my MetaMask. So I am able to send a little more, for example 0.001. So I will send that, and I will again select the default option instead of the fastest option. So I will select the default option here, and I will click next again. So anytime that you want to send money to Zk Money, you do it that way. You click on shield and you complete this operation. This is what I sent. This is a transaction fee, so it's the total of $2. So I click on here and confirm the transaction. Remember, this is mainnet, so this is all real money. This is not a free Possible Airdrop. You need to pay the gas fees on this, and it's in mainnet Ethereum, so probably are going to be a little of expensive fees, so keep an eye on that. Now confirm here the shield, waiting the transaction confirmation. This is 4 steps. We are in step 2 of 4. Now sign the transaction here of the request. Now we are in point 4, and now you can see that the transaction was confirmed. So you can close this, and you can see here in the transaction history another shield transaction. Remember, we only have one green mark. We need to wait these 2 marks. You can see settles in 3 hours. This is confirmed, but it's still not settled. When you see that you have available here your zkETH Ethereum, that means that you are great to use it. Here on earn positions, we don't have anything yet. We didn't earn anything, but here in tokens, you can see your portfolio. Now let's go to see the earn part. Once you get your zkETH Ethereum, you're going to be able to operate on these platforms. This is lending platform on ADA. This is Euler, and you can see a DCA platform here to do with zkETH, because you can use Ethereum or DAI here. For example, I did some of Lido staking here with zkETH Ethereum. So you can go and click on earn here. Once you have balance here of zkETH Ethereum, you can put the amount that you want, and then you are going to be again able to select the gas fee that you want to pay, and then you click in next. And doing that, you are participating already in another of the steps that you need for this airdrop. That will be one of the steps. We did 0.5 when we create the account, and after that we did it again. We need to wait step 6 until we get the zkETH Ethereum, and once you have that, we also can do on step 7 is you can send out some Ethereum to a Zk Money user like me. So my user is cryptocurrency state, and I would recommend you just send me 1 cent or anything that you can, the minimum on Ethereum. I will not send it back because I will pay more in transaction fees, I think. But you have my alias here, cryptocurrency state. You can send me some of the money here on Zk Money just to get that transaction done, because I think sending money is also going to count. So also 0.8, you can withdraw to a Ethereum layer 1 address. So you are able to send again your money to your MetaMask wallet, but you are going to have that option after your registration is complete and everything here is complete. So in this case, I need to wait 4 hours to do that, so I will not be able to show you that in the video, but it's really easy. You are going to see it. It's super intuitive. And like I already showed you, you can also visit the earn section and use the staking options to improve your chance for a potential airdrop. So basically, doing all that stuff, you already use it, the application. The trade option is going to be amazing, because think that you may use a trade platform over Ethereum but with privacy. So that is awesome. That is why I think this project Aztec and Zk Money is going to be very, very big, guys. I will really do this airdrop. I think it's one of the biggest ones that we have right now. Also with Optimism and also with Arbitrum, Zksync and Zeta chain. Those are the bigger ones airdrops right now, guys. Remember to go to my airdrop organizer and check that, and check here all these different airdrops that I mentioned. Layer 0 is actually really big too. So do all those, and remember to do Zk Money Aztec project here, and you can send me a little bit of Ethereum just to try sending funds. But you are going to be able to do that also when you have the registration complete. You are going to be able to send funds and also to send it to your Ethereum address back. So you are going to be able to send your zkETH to Ethereum again into your wallet. Guys, that is all for this video. Of course, if you don't send me anything, it's okay, guys. I just give you my username here on Zk Money in case that you want to make that transaction. I really think that you need to do that. So the other option, you just create multiple wallets and you can send from one to another, but that would be a little risky in terms of sibling wallets. So I really don't recommend you to do that, because you are going to be linking to wallets. That is why just send me the minimum that you can, and that will be count, of course, as a step of the airdrop. And these are the strongest points that I see on this project, and I really like the option to trade maybe in the future anonymously with privacy using Ethereum. So this project has a lot of good points. powered by Paradigm, which is a very big company with very successful projects already. So guys, that is all for the video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next airdrop video. Bye.